Good morning, dear students. Do you remember that I taught you about the vowels and consonants? So, in English language, there are the 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Today again, we are going to revise the vowels and consonants with the help of Marathi letters. So, let's start. English, Marathi, Barakhadi. In English, vowels are known as स्वर in Marathi. मराठी में vowels को स्वर बोलते हैं. Let's read it. A, consonants are known as व्यंजन. मराठी में consonants को व्यंजन बोलते हैं. So we will read consonants. क, 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 ख, 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 ग, 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 घ, 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 च, 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 छ, 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 ज, 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 झ, 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 झ. Then t, 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 th, 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 d, d, A A A A A A A A A A A A A A I E I E E E E E E E I E I E U U U U O O U O O U U U U U E A E A I O O O O A U O A U O A yum A yum A yan A yan A yach aha A yach aha K K K K K yach kha K yach kha G G G G G H G G H G Next C H Ch C H Ch C H H Ch C H H Ch J J J J JH Z JH Z Z Z Z Z For Z we can use JH and Z. Okay, then T T T T TH 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 D D D D DH D DH D N N N N T T T T TH 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 D D D D DH D DH D N N N N P P P P PH P PH P F F F F For F we use PH and F. Next B B B B BH B BH B M M M M Y Y Y Y R R R R L L L L V V V V W V W V Here for V we use V and W. Next sh, 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 yes, sa, yes, sa, h, ha, h, ha, ksh, ksha, ksh, ksha, dny, dnya, dny, dnya, ru, ru, tra, 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 shr, shra, shr, shra. Write these swar and vyanjan in your notebook and learn it. Tomorrow we will learn the next part of Barakhadi. Thank you. Have a nice day.